Welcome to part 2. Unedited or unedited though. Right, let's go. Let's get rid of it. Let's go. Books. When you go to the island, I got this book at the ride. You know, it's got a pirate flag because of Pirate Island. I got this book on the Isle of Wight. I got this from the ride bus station where you get your bus tickets and everything. Well, it's £10 for the day. Brilliant price. Or you can add on extra money for do the tour buses. That's if you want to. Comes with a lot of information, loads of information. There's a load of reading to do, loads of information. And the other books I get, I've got this. You get this from the White Link, but I had this where the Hovercraft was. Well, no, wait. They had this at the bus station, but it says White Link. That's one of the sponsors of the magazine. That's another one to check out. They're filled with good information. If I met, say you go to the Isle of Wight for a day out, pick it up, have a flick through, have a look what there is before you do anything, and then yeah, start your day. Okay, let's get the newspaper. There's 2 newspapers. I didn't get the other one. Haven't read this one yet. You have their own local, like everyone has their own local newspaper. This is the county press, the voice of the island. So basically, it's all about the Isle of Wight, everything news, anything that's happening. Yeah, so we've got a nice sports, the local sports. I found a few local football clubs on the Isle of Wight when I was on my journey around the island. And that one was Braiding. I might have a visit at that next time. But yeah, it's got nothing interesting information. A lot of reading to do, let's put it that way. So if you want to immerse yourself in Isle of Wight life, interested in the whole everything Isle of Wight, newspapers are a great way to do it. Okay, let's get to the goodie part. What we've been buying. Let's have a look. I know where to buy stuff. There's something interesting to tell you about this. When buying Isle of Wight clotted cream, you might say, oh, this is from the Isle of Wight. I'm just going to give you an example. I'm just going to go and get it. I'll just pause the video and get it before I get it. We are back. I just want to show you something interesting. This is official Isle of Wight fudge. This one is, I've eaten it already anyway, unofficial Isle of Wight fudge. It's for Devon. This is what happens. I just want to show you something really interesting. They buy fudge from somewhere. They get their postcards. They put it on. They wrap it up. This is from the Isle of Wight. When it's not. Just want to watch out. Be careful when you buy things on the Isle of Wight. Always flip the box. Read the back. Look where it's from. Because when I was there, I asked in the shop, I said, have you got any products from the Isle of Wight? And she showed me what's official or unofficial. But yeah, this one is officially from Shanklin. I got this one in Sandown. It was on a stall. It was good because it was a day out. It was like a mini festival day. I'm not sure what the festival was. But it's kind of handy. There was a festival there. And I managed to get this. So it's pretty nice. And it's actually Isle of Wight fudge from the Isle of Wight. Pleased with that. Oh yes, I got the postcards. I mentioned it on the video already. You must have seen it. I got the Isle of Wight Isle of Wight. How they say things on the Isle of Wight. It's the Isle of Wight talk, and the wonders of the Isle of Wight. I know there's 8 they say now, but it's this the original postcard 6, and this is quite interesting. Just showing you places around the island and everything, and how they speak the Isle of Wight. Sandane, Wide, things like that. Yeah, it's the accent they have. Okay, what else have we got in here? Oh, I picked up something. Oh, the flag's fallen down. Excuse me. Oh, it wasn't meant to happen. Oh, unplanned. This was unedited, didn't I? Yeah, apart from getting that fudge. There we are. Right, I got some information about church. The Braiding church I went to. That was a nice place. A nice Braiding that was. What we got here? Oh yes. We have got some crystals, and we bought some for my niece. This one I got here, I got this on the Isle of Wight, is titanium. Let's get this right. Titanium, gold, and platinum all in one. It's like a shiny effect. Yeah, it's a beautiful one there. I got my niece a crystal that she wanted. But this one, I'm skipping them because I'm showing you Isle of Wight stuff. This one is Isle of Wight. This is called gypsum, Isle of Wight gypsum. I'm going to show you that. Look, beautiful crystal that is. Isle of Wight gypsum. They do have Isle of Wight crystals. So if you see a crystal shop, ask about it. Sandown's the best place to go to. The one on the high street. Not the one on the side, the one on the high street. And also, I got this. I've not eaten it yet. Be having it tonight. Or later to lunch today. This, I'll be reviewing a video separate for this actually. This is Isle of Wight homemade scones. I said I was going to do cream tea, so I'm going to do it. Isle of Wight homemade scones, because I've got the Isle of Wight jam to go with it. The Isle of Wight scones, and this is from Black Gang. It cost me £2.50. It's alright, I'm not mind about it's a one-off for the price, but I'm saying we've got to check it out if we don't know what it tastes like, do we? And then I was on the stall, we had a festival there. They had one stall. This is drawings by Emily, that's a shout out now. Emily Chambers from Neptune class from Boadicea School Lake. All the money raised goes to Sandown and Shanklin Independent Lifeboat Charity. And here's a Christmas card they designed. There's a load of printouts. Yeah, it's a nice beautiful something from the Isle of Wight, isn't it? Like your own Christmas card, like their own version. But yeah, nice to know it goes, all the charity goes to charity, that one. Because there's all the festivals there, I was learning a lot of stuff. Also, I wanted some biscuits to take back. Isle of Wight biscuits in general. So, I got some Isle of Wight biscuits. And these are from, where are we? Where is this thing? Oh, here we are. Shanklin. Baked and packed on your Isle of Wight at the Rock Shop in Shanklin. There we are. They've got two of these retro shops. They've got one in Shanklin and one in Sandown. But sometimes the one in Shanklin gives all the stock to the one in Sandown. That's how it works. Because they've got two companies. Yeah. But the original one's in Shanklin. I didn't go to that one. I should have gone to that one, but I went to one in Sandown. But yeah, here we are. Lovely Isle of Wight biscuits. I might go back down there and get some more next time. More Isle of Wight bits. I'll go to the main Shanklin one next time. So when I go to Isle of Wight next time, Shanklin's my first visit. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, I did the crazy golf. You saw a bit of sneak on the videos. I did the crazy golf. This one is like a jungle. The lightning going off and everything. And 31 points. Beat my nephew's score. First time. Yay. Just checking the video. Not we're going too long. Yeah, we're doing good. We're going good. Just checking how long it's going for. Okay. Oh yes. I went to Black Gang. Shanklin Chine. I got the book, didn't I? I showed you I got the book. It's a nice little read actually. I was reading it this morning and I was finding some interesting information. I didn't realise I had a map on there and tells you about things, and I could still visit within 7 days, but I don't see me going back there within 7 days. What else do we have? Oh, what's in this bag? Goodies. Oh, I went to the Doll's House Museum. Alright, this video I put links of places that I'm talking about. I'll put links, don't worry. You will have the links. Doll's House Museum got the got 15p each, 30p a miniature book, and like all the miniature foods. There's so much cool stuff in there. The museum's really good. It's interesting history. And apparently had a little circus in there. She says it's the only one in the world that's nearly complete. And she says the people from America are coming over and replacing 2 more parts that they're missing. So they have the whole complete set. That'd be the first time ever. That's good though, isn't it, if we think about it. Here's the Isle of Wight jam I'm talking about. I'm going to have my scones. This one is black cherry So I'll be trying that in my scone. This one was made, I don't know where it is. It says Isle of Wight. Didn't say specifically where. This is Isle of Wight. Of course, got a lot of, whoa, quite a lot of black cherries in there. That'd be interesting. Lumpy version. It is Isle of Wight. It doesn't say exactly where on the island, but it's island produced. And it said the rock shop, so Shanklin. So when it says the rock shop, ex Shanklin. Yeah. Can't wait to have this. Looks interesting. A little tiny review separately for that. That'd be a good one, wouldn't it? What else do we have? Oh yes, we've got some rulers. There's a 3 for 2 deal. They're £1 each. And Hovercraft, just pick one up and show you. The Hovercraft one. It shows you every hovercraft through history that it's gone through. That's like the modern version of Hovercraft. And that's not recent. What's interesting... because my mum used to go there just before I was born, so she was pregnant with me, so she went to Isle of Wight, and then she said to me, I've been on every hovercraft, so she's been on every single hovercraft. My mum and me are the only ones, well, my sister, I don't know about my sister, she's been there and that, but yeah, we're the only ones who've been on all the hovercrafts through history, right, starting. Well, me 1980, obvious. My mum 1965, right through to the present. So that's pretty something to say. They've been in all hovercrafts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hovercrafts in history. But the last hovercrafts they done, there was 2 modern, they're big now, they're not small. They used to be small back then. The hovercrafts now, they cost £15 million to make 2 hovercrafts because they've got turbine engines. I'll put a link for the video. History about the hovercraft. Click it below. Check it out. Wonderful video. What else do we have in here? Got some more. We've got books and stuff now. Oh, we've got another book we picked up on our journeys. All about the Isle of Wight. A lot of reading to do. There's a lot of crazy golfs on the island. Worth checking out. If you love your crazy golf, go. It's a nice place to go. Oh, the Dolls Museum when I got the Dolls bits. I'm going to put the information of the website, which is, I should say, they've got a website down there. So I'll put down a link below. Don't mind, put the links in below. There will be a lot of links to check out. And what else have we got? There we are. We got Hovercraft, a little strap-on thing you put over like that, protect your bus pass or keys or whatever. Yeah, I think I quite like that. It's quite nice. And a leaflet on a Shanklin chain. We can open it up. Can we open it up? No. There's another leaflet. Apparently about Shanklin chain, because it cost here, it says £8.50 to get in. But I paid £7 something. Because there must have been a special offer that day. I don't know where. But the good thing is, you unlimited, listen to this, unlimited free return trips within 7 days. So if you stayed in Shanklin Sound, because you're quite nearby to it on the Isle of Wight, because it's in Shanklin, you can go there any time you want. And it's also a good thing to get to the bottom of the cliff. It's just a nicer way down. I thought that's pretty awesome. You know what, I should have thought about it. I should have gone back up there. As I was going back, I should have walked back up there. Never mind. There's a way back up, isn't it? Yeah. Unlimited free return visits. That's pretty awesome. And also, you where the craft fair, like there's people carving wood and everything, all the locals. I got this little door handle you put over your door and write whatever you want on it. So yeah, got to think about what to write on that actually. But yeah, it's a little really little thing. And despite I got a bag. And I thought, from the old village, and I thought, look, lovely bag, beautiful bag. The reason it's got eye crystal art white is because the Isle of Wight is shaped, I don't know if you noticed, the Isle of Wight is literally shaped like a diamond. Actually, the shape of the island was shaped like a diamond. Isle of Wight is literally shaped, that's why it's called the Diamond Isles, because it's literally shaped like a diamond, got a slit in the middle. It's also known as the Dinosaur Isles because there's a lot of dinosaur bones. If you really love your dinosaurs, really into your lovely dinosaurs, Sandown's a good place because we've got Sandown Isle of Wight Dinosaur Museum, brilliant museum. Got a zoo right next to that in Yarvaland. I say Sandown Zoo because it's near Sandown, but it's actually in Yarvaland. Got Dinosaur Beach along the coast along there. They'll tell you if you talk to the museum. Isle of Wight discovered a new dinosaur this year, which was brilliant. Brand new dinosaur, never been discovered. Like, wow. But it's similar to the T-Rex. And it's like, wow. On your Isle of Wight as well. New dinosaur discovery. It has their own chocolate factory, which is located in Godshill. I've not gone to that because of weather-wise. I might go there when it's a bit colder. Colder season might be a bit better for me to visit a different location on the Isle of Wight. I'm thinking about that in the near future. Well, this year I might go do it actually. When it's a bit colder season. Have a different experience on the island. Because I was just doing the summer version to see what it's like. But yeah, I'm going to cover a lot of the Isle of Wight. We've done Sandown, we've done Shanklin, we've done Ryde. We didn't do much of Ryde because most of it was closed. And we've done Brading. And we're going to go try different locations, so every time the video will be different. But I'm going to revisit Shanklin because of the crazy golf. But other than that, can't wait to go back again. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise you miss out on all the great content I'll be posting up in the near future. Until next time.